Here is my 2006-2007 Duracraft Box Fan. I wouldn't consider this to be vintage, but it is one of the very last ones that Duracraft made when they had merged with Cas. This is before they turned everything over to Cas. Once they completely turned everything over to Cas, around 2007, somewhere in there, 2008, Cas has done away with this design from Duracraft altogether. So this is like one of the last ones that Duracraft themselves put out while being merged with Cas at the time. It has 3 speeds, and we're going to go ahead and run it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Again, it's not vintage. It is pretty old, but I wouldn't consider it vintage. Not yet. It doesn't have a fuse plug. It has a regular plug. So anyways, that being said, let's go. Let's run this. Thanks for watching the video tonight. I hope that you enjoyed it. Rate, comment, subscribe, and share. Yes, I film at night. It's the only time that I have a chance to do any kind of filming after a hard day's work. Then I film at night. So if I say thanks for watching the video tonight, well, there you go. I film at night. Again, rate, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed one. God bless you and gone.